To troubleshoot Debank wallet address import, start by understanding what Debank is and its purpose. Debank is a popular platform for managing cryptocurrency assets across multiple wallets and exchanges. Importing a wallet address into Debank allows users to track their balances and transactions in one place. First, ensure you have a Debank account and are logged in. Navigate to the Wallet section where you can add new wallets. Choose the type of wallet you want to import, such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, or others. Then, select the import option, usually by scanning a QR code or entering the wallet address manually. If you encounter issues during the import process, check that the wallet address is correct and properly formatted. A single incorrect character can prevent the import. Double-check the address against the original source, such as your wallet software or exchange account. Another common issue is the wallet not being supported by Debank. Check Debank's documentation to see if your wallet is listed as supported. If not, consider using a different wallet or contacting Debank's support team for assistance. Additionally, ensure your wallet is fully synced and has the latest transactions. Sometimes, a wallet may not import correctly if it is not fully updated. Try syncing your wallet and then attempt the import again. For advanced users, importing a wallet may require additional steps such as entering a wallet password or seed phrase. Be cautious when entering sensitive information and ensure you are using a secure and trusted connection. Best practices include regularly updating your Debank account and wallet software to ensure compatibility and security. Also, be mindful of phishing attempts and never share your wallet's private keys or seed phrases with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you should be able to successfully troubleshoot and import your Debank wallet address, allowing you to manage your cryptocurrency assets efficiently and securely.